Are you struggling to land your dream remote job? It's a question that many of us are asking ourselves, especially in these modern times where remote work has taken center stage. It's not just a fleeting trend, it's the future of work. It affords us the freedom to work from anywhere, to be more flexible, and to achieve that elusive work-life balance. But let's be honest, navigating the remote job market can be quite a challenge. From understanding what employers are looking for, to tailoring your resume, to finding the right opportunities, and then acing that all-important job interview. It's a journey that requires a lot of strategy, persistence, and resilience. But fear not, we've got you covered. In the next few minutes, we will take you through a step-by-step guide on how to land your dream remote job. So, sit back, grab a notepad, and let's get started on this exciting journey together. The first step is understanding the remote job market. As we delve into the world of remote work, it's important to remember that it's not a one-size-fits-all scenario. Remote jobs come in all shapes and sizes. Some positions are fully remote, where you never have to set foot in an office. Others may be hybrid, which means you'll spend part of your time on site and the rest working from anywhere you choose. The possibilities are endless, from customer service to software development, from content creation to data analysis. Every industry you can think of has some form of remote work available. The tech industry might be the most prominent one, but sectors like healthcare, finance, and education also offer a plethora of remote opportunities. Just as varied as the types of jobs and industries are the skills in demand. Tech skills, of course, are highly sought after. If you can code, design websites, or troubleshoot technical issues, you're already ahead of the game. But don't despair if you're not a tech wizard. Soft skills like communication, organization, and self-motivation are equally important. This is where you need to take a good, hard look at your own skill set. What can you bring to the table? Maybe you're a whiz at project management, or have a knack for graphic design. Perhaps you are a master at sales, or have a gift for teaching. The key is to identify your unique skills and see where they align with the opportunities available in the remote job market. And let's not forget, remote work also means a global job market. You're not just competing with candidates in your city or even your country, you're competing with talented individuals from all corners of the globe. But don't let that intimidate you. It's also an opportunity to learn from diverse cultures and perspectives, making you a more rounded professional. With a clear understanding of the remote job market, you can now move on to the next step: preparing your resume. A well-prepared resume is your ticket to an interview. This is a statement that holds true, no matter the nature of the job you're seeking. However, when it comes to landing your dream remote job, it's crucial to tailor your resume specifically for remote work. You see, while the fundamental structure of a resume remains the same, the remote job market looks for a unique set of skills. So, it's not just about what you've done, but also about how you've done it. The key is to clearly convey your ability to perform tasks independently, communicate effectively, and manage your time well. Let's start with the objective. It should be clear, concise, and tailored to the remote role you're applying for. It's your chance to make a strong first impression, so make it count. Show enthusiasm for remote work and briefly state how your skills and experience make you a great fit. Moving on to the skills section, here's where you get to shine by listing the abilities that make you a strong candidate for remote work. Include skills like self-motivation, digital proficiency, and problem solving. Don't forget to mention your proficiency in using remote work tools like project management apps or video conferencing software. Next up is your experience. When detailing your previous roles, focus not only on what you achieved but how you did it. Did you work with a remote team? Did you handle projects independently? Did you meet deadlines despite time zone differences? These are the kinds of things that will make you stand out. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of showcasing remote-specific skills like communication and time management. These are critical for remote work, so feel free to include examples of how you've used these skills in your previous roles. Remember, your resume is a reflection of you. It's the first impression you'll make on a potential employer, so take the time to ensure it's polished, professional, and showcases your ability to thrive in a remote work setting. With a stellar resume in hand, you're ready for the next step: finding remote job opportunities. Finding remote job opportunities requires strategic job hunting. Let's dive into the various platforms where you can discover these roles. First, job boards. There are a number of job boards out there, but some are specifically tailored for remote positions. Websites like Remote.co, We Work Remotely, and FlexJobs are filled to the brim with remote job listings. These sites allow you to filter by industry, job type, and level of experience, so you can find the opportunities that best fit your skill set. Then there's LinkedIn. This professional networking site is not just about connecting with colleagues and industry leaders. It's also a treasure trove of job listings, many of which are remote. Use the advanced search feature to find remote positions in your field. Don't forget to update your profile to let recruiters know you're open to remote opportunities. Now, don't overlook company websites. If there's a company you admire that aligns with your values and career goals, check out their careers page. Many companies are shifting to remote work and list these opportunities right on their site. But finding remote job opportunities is not just about scanning job listings. Networking plays a crucial role too. Online communities like remote work forums and groups on social media platforms are great places to connect with like-minded professionals. You never know, a casual conversation today could lead to a job opportunity tomorrow. Remember, the remote job hunt is similar to a traditional job hunt in many ways. It involves researching, tailoring your application, and networking. But it also requires a unique set of skills and a good understanding of the remote work landscape. So, keep these tips in mind, stay persistent, and before you know it, you'll be navigating the remote job market like a pro. The world of remote work is at your fingertips. It's all about knowing where to look and who to connect with. Now that you know where to find these opportunities, let's move on to the next step: acing your remote job interview. The remote job interview is your chance to impress potential employers. When preparing for the big day, it's crucial to anticipate some common interview questions. "Tell me about yourself" is a classic opener. Tailor your response to highlight experiences that demonstrate your ability to work independently and your knack for effective communication, factors highly valued in remote positions. You may also get asked, "What's your home office setup like?" This question aims to gauge your preparedness for remote work. It's not just about having a computer and a stable internet connection, but also about having a dedicated and distraction-free workspace. Another question you might face is, how do you handle distractions and stay focused? Here, you can talk about the strategies you use to maintain productivity, like time management techniques, using productivity apps, or establishing a routine. Now, let's talk about showcasing remote-specific skills. In a remote job interview, your potential employer will be keen to see evidence of your ability to work independently, manage time effectively, communicate clearly, and use technology efficiently. Use your responses to illustrate these skills. For instance, you might discuss a project where you collaborated with a team across different time zones, or how you've used certain tools to streamline your workflow. Remember, it's not just about answering questions, but also about asking the right ones. Asking insightful questions about the company's remote work culture or the tools they use can demonstrate your understanding of remote work dynamics. Finally, don't underestimate the power of following up after the interview. A quick email thanking the interviewer for their time, reiterating your interest in the role, and offering to provide further information can leave a lasting positive impression. With these tips, you are now well equipped to land your dream remote job. Landing your dream remote job is not a far-fetched idea. It's a journey that begins with understanding the remote job market, its dynamics and trends. It's about knowing the skills in demand and positioning yourself as the ideal candidate. Then comes the crucial task of preparing your resume. This is not just about listing your skills and experiences. It's about tailoring your resume for remote work, highlighting your ability to work independently and communicate effectively. Your next step is to find remote job opportunities. There are numerous platforms and resources out there, but the key is to find the ones that are right for you. Research thoroughly, network effectively, and keep an eye out for the perfect opportunity. Finally, acing your remote job interview is about showcasing your skills and proving that you're a good fit for remote work. Remember, persistence is key. Keep refining your strategy and soon, you'll land your dream remote job. Good luck! Before we wrap up, we have one important reminder for all of you. If you found this video helpful and want to stay updated with more tips and tricks to land your dream remote job, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's right down there. Go ahead, click it. It not only helps us to continue creating content like this, but it also ensures you won't miss out on any valuable insights that could give you the edge in your remote job hunt. So don't forget to subscribe and join our community of remote job seekers. Together we can navigate the remote job market and achieve our career goals. Thanks for watching, and remember, your dream remote job is just a click away.